This product generates more than 70,000 rupees on Etsy. After seeing this, I started creating this product with the help of AI and sells it through Shopify, and the result were insane. Now if I show this product, as you can see, it's an ebook regarding passive income with ChatGPT, and it cost around $3, and if we multiply both it comes around $951, which is equal to 78,000 rupees. In this video, I teach you how you actually start this business and generate passive income in thousands of dollars, and I guarantee you cannot find any video like this on YouTube. Without wasting any time, let's head to the topic. So, in an ebook, it is the same as the normal books but is in digital format. The main part of an book is the content, and for content we use ChatGPT. Simply go to ChatGPT and write a prompt such as topics for ebook writing, and now ChatGPT will answer your questions and give you various topics about ebook writing. In there, I like the third one. Simply I write more about third, and ChatGPT will give me more topics in finance niche. So after thinking for horse and horse, I finally decided to make my ebook on the topic trading indicators strategies. Now I again go to ChatGPT and write a prompt. I want to write a ebook on trading strategies and how to do it. Suggest some names of the book and also write content. Now here you can see finally ChatGPT gives me some title ideas of my ebook and also the content for my ebook. Now I go to canva.com and search for the topic ebooks, and you can see there are many templates that are so much awesome, but there are some paid, so I choose the first one. Simply click on it and now customize this template, and now as you can see the cover of the photo of our ebook, and there is no page extra. Simply click on the next page, and you can also change its color by clicking this and change color to white. Now go ahead to ChatGPT. As you can see there are many long titles, so I simply write the new one from myself. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a new one for you. So I write trading alchemy, and this looks great. Now you can also change the slogan by clicking that and change it as you want. I will write, for example, key to success. You can also change it later on, and you can also write your name. So I write my name Aura Aspire. Now I go to ChatGPT and copy the content outline and paste it on the page, and this is exactly very simple, guys. You just have to copy and paste the context. Now I again go to ChatGPT and copy the chapter 1 and paste it. So as you know, it takes many hours to complete. I will meet you guys sometimes later.
One eternity later.
Finally guys, I make a ebook like this, as you can see, named Trading Alchemy, and obviously it is created by me, so my name is there. And in second page you can see the table of the contents, and on third page a quote written by me, and as you can see I also use images there. And guys, this plays a very important role in selling our ebook, so I suggest you to use some images in your ebook to make it awesome and unique. There are total 22 pages in my ebook, and in last you can see I wrote a thank you page for buying this. This will create a good impression in the mind of the buyer if they read your ebook. And that's how you can also create ebooks like this and sell it on eBay, Etsy, Shopify platforms. And if you want me to make a challenge video to sell this ebook through Facebook ads, comment now and I will try to make it. And guys, thank you so much for watching till here. Now I am going to show my Shopify earnings to you, as I told in the beginning of the video. Through I sell ebooks, that is about to 5,681 US dollars. And remember, guys, making money online takes times and effort, so work hard and gives your best. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye.